RV excerpts from the Restored Republic via GCR. Update as of Sunday, the 4th of May 2025. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Note: all intel should be considered as rumors until we receive official announcements, and rates and dates could change anytime until we get to the banks, redemption centers. RV excerpts from the Restored Republic via GCR. Update as of Sunday, the 4th of May 2025. Compiled Sunday, the 4th of May 2025, 12:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time by Judy Byington. The 3rd of May 2025. Red alert: EBS lockdown imminent. Charlie Ward and friends on Telegram. The Quantum Financial System (QFS) is already seeded across 89 nations. Pilot debt forgiveness programs have begun in South America and Europe. Gold vaults stolen by deep state. Actors are being emptied and returned to national treasuries. But media silence hides the truth. On Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, military allegedly took control of the Federal Reserve and severed all links to the old U.S. Treasury. Fiat printing was dead. All future currency, allegedly, would be asset-backed, and all debt created through fraudulent lending systems, allegedly, nullified, including mortgages, student loans, credit cards and more. There would be a public announcement by July 4, 2025. On Saturday, the 26th of April 2025, constitutional law and the gold standard, allegedly, returned to all citizens around the globe. In this new world unshackled from the banking elite, 207 nations would function under concepts of the original constitution and a restored justice system under Nasara, GCR law. As of Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, fiat currency was, allegedly, officially dead. The quantum financial system was live and gold-backed and the military was in control. Global currency reset. Judy note: on Saturday, the 3rd of May 2025, I could not find any new news at all on the global currency reset. The below was in my opinion only and could or could not be true. What I understand to date was that money was defiantly moving and bondholders were liquid but under strict NDAs not to talk about it. There were indications that as of Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, the dong and dinar were being exchanged in the Middle East. Sometime between now and next Wednesday, the 7th of May, the EBS could activate over our phones and we could get an email giving instructions on how to set up exchange appointments. The information would also be published on various dinar websites, and in this update, Tier 4B is the Internet Group. Notifications might come out over the weekend, with appointments starting on Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025. Once notified, we would have 10 days to set our appointments and until the end of May 2025 to go to appointments at an official redemption center that would have higher exchange rates than at a bank. After the end of May 2025, ZIM would no longer be redeemed and we would have to do currency exchanges at a bank with the lower rates. All exchanges were to be finished by Saturday, the 31st of May 2025. Saturday, the 3rd of May 2025. The digital financial reset has begun. $4.7 trillion in untraced payments blocked by new treasury system, Carolyn Bissett Kennedy on Telegram. The deep state just got blindsided. The Treasury's new Tush protocol just, allegedly, flagged $334 million in shady transactions, exposing $4.7 trillion in untraceable government payouts. This isn't a glitch. This is a digital takedown. They never meant for US to see this while you were watching staged trials and fake headlines. The US Treasury flipped a switch behind the scenes. A new system went live, and trillions in dirty money were caught mid-flight. No budget codes, no legal trace, no oversight, just a massive digital shadow network, exposed. The Tush system went active, and chaos erupted the moment Tush launched. It started slicing through financial lies. $334 million instantly rejected, payments with missing or fake codes flagged. Transactions linked to fully drained budgets blocked. This isn't bookkeeping. This is a live digital strike against the black budget parasite. $4.7 trillion in the dark. Where did it go? Before Tush, the Treasury let $4.7 trillion move with zero code linkage. No origin, no authorization, no audit trail. That's not incompetence. That's criminal laundering hiding in plain sight. And now? The pipeline's being severed. No code, no cash, no cover-up. With Tush, Every dollar must now prove itself. Is it linked to an active, legal budget? Is it linked to an active, legal budget? Is that budget still open? Does it match the agency and timeline? If not, that dollar dies on the spot. No appeal. No workaround. Welcome to the digital purge. This isn't the great reset they talk about on stage. This is the real reset, hidden in code, enforced by AI, deployed in silence. They're erasing their old money trails, locking the doors and rewriting the system in real time. The press won't cover it. The politicians don't understand it. But the money flow is being seized, right now. The deep state just lost access. Black ops, shadow wars, laundered tech budgets, all powered by the same invisible money flow. Now, with Tush Live, those channels are being cut off, permanently. This isn't just reform. Plus it's a digital guillotine. The swamp isn't being drained. It's being throttled by code. And the ones who used to control the money? Just lost the keys. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.